Hey, what's going on, everyone? Misha Wilson here. And hey, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can make a whole lot more money, well, by actually losing money. I know it probably makes 0 cents. Stick around and watch today's full video, and I guarantee you, you'll get a ton of value. As always, if this is your first video, my name is Misha Wilson, and over the course of the last few years, I've now generated nearly $40 million in total online sales. So everything I'm going to be teaching you here in today's video is based on applied knowledge and not just theory. As always, if you get value out of this video, please let me know in the comment section below what your biggest takeaway was and hit that thumbs up button if you like it. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in.
Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams.
All right, so what I want to talk about here today is a specific tactic and specific type of offer that you can deploy in your business to long-term make you way more money if you do things correctly, but short-term actually lose money and lose money up front. All right, and I know isn't making money like the antithesis of losing money and vice versa? How can both hold true? I'm gonna break it down right here. So when I was first getting started in the online world, I did not understand this principle. And as a result, I actually, did not make nearly as much as I could. I didn't necessarily lose, but I lost profits that I would have made because I didn't create customers as efficiently and as effectively as I would have if I understood this principle. All right. Now, before we get into the actual principle itself, I want to talk about another principle being the simple fact that if you are in business and if you do business correctly, your single most valuable asset in your entire business is your customer list and the relationship that you have with your customer list. All right. So if you have a good product, if you have a product that works, that people enjoy going ahead and using, consuming, that they get results with, no matter what the niche, the industry, the type of product, the service, the agency, whatever it might be, right? If people like the product that you have, and you have a big list of people that like the product that you have, you can literally create money on demand. All right, I've done it over and over and over again where we'll run a promotion and generate $200,000 in a week, $400,000 in a month with, a single set of emails that we send out just because, not because we're the best email writers in the world. We're all right, but not, necessarily the best. Not because I have some magic superpower, just very simply because I have this big list of customers who has a relationship with me, has purchased from me in the past, likes the products that I've sold in the past, and therefore, when I send a promotion to them, they will buy over and over and over again. All right, and the big principle to understand is that the bigger and faster you can grow your customer base, granted, you of course having a high quality product that people enjoy going through, the faster you can grow your customer base, the more money you will make, and ultimately, the faster you can continue to make more money. Right? So that's the first principle. Now that leads to the next question of, all right, well, how in the hell can I grow my customer base as quickly as humanly possible? Which brings us to the specific tactic that I want to talk about here today. And that tactic is the tactic of using a product that is called a loss leader. All right, and we actually just put this in place with our supplement company, and we immediately are generating customers 3 or 4 times more efficiently. Off the top of my head, I believe 4 to 5 actually times more efficiently than we were before. And as a result, we have 5 times as many customers. We're still at, a little bit in the red. So it's a loss leader. We're not necessarily breaking even immediately, but because we have 5 times as many customers, we are making infinitely more sales to those existing customers on the back end. All right. So very simply, what a loss leader is if you take a portion, this is how I do it at least. I take a portion of my product, usually the best portion of my product. So let's say I have, for the supplement company as an example, we have a few different products, 3 different products. We have one product that is the absolute best seller. What we did is we took the product that is the best seller. We took the price from being $69 for one bottle of the fat burner product, which is the best selling product. We took it from $69, we dropped it down to $9.97. And we started selling it at $9.97, where it's actually free. They just pay the shipping, right? The shipping is $9.97, which it actually is. It's actually a little more than that when you factor in international shipping too. And we, essentially dropped the price from $69 to $9.97. And what that did is it increased our conversion rate and brought our CPAs from being around $150 per customer. So it was costing us $150 to generate a customer down to about $25 to generate a customer. All right. So now for every $100 that we spend, we generate 4 customers instead of not even, really 1, 2/3 of a customer with an $150 CPA. So we generate 4 customers for every $100 that we spend. And then what we do is we immediately have a post-purchase upsell sequence where after they buy the first product on the front end, we offer another product. We then offer a testosterone boosting product. We then offer a pre-workout product. We have a full product line in the front end. And because we have so many more customers coming through, firstly, we have more people purchasing that initial upsell, right? Which almost immediately makes up for all of our advertising costs over here on the front end, even though we're losing money, right? So usually we're spending about $25 to generate a customer. The customer is worth $9.97. Then there's also, cost of goods sold about $10. So we're in the hole about $35. But because that customer immediately purchases the upsells, that we have in place, and then also based on the fact that the product actually works, people like the product, they, keep consuming the product long term, we get so many more customers that we can then run promotions to, we can retarget them, we can get them on continuity programs, we can sell more of the same product to them at discounted prices, but not the free sample angle, right? We can do so many more things because we have so many more customers. And when you have so many more customers, once again, you have that singular most valuable asset that I already talked about in, of course, having a customer list. All right, so 30,000 foot view from today's video. Everything you do in your business should be around building a customer list and building a customer list of customers that actually know you, like you, trust you, and enjoy going ahead and giving the benefits that your product gives them. All right. Secondly, one of the best, simplest, fastest, and easiest ways to do just that and build your customer list really fast is to go ahead and have a loss leader product, a product that you sell at a massively discounted rate, right? It doesn't need to be free plus shipping. It can be just a massive discount. You can take a product you're selling for $50 and sell it for $1. I've seen plenty of people do that. You can take, a $300 product, sell it for $7, right? So it's a massively discounted product where you lose money on that initial sale, but then you recoup it with the upsells and you also build your customer list very quickly. So once again, you get to the same place quickly when you recoup your investment and get into profit. Then you have your customer list who you can sell more goods, more services, and more products to over and over and over again. So if you are not using this in your business, take this principle, apply it, use this tactic, and I guarantee you will generate more customers. You'll generate more customers more efficiently. You will have a bigger customer list and ultimately more leverage. With that said, I hope you got a ton of value out of today's video. As always, if you did, please let me know in the comment section below what your biggest takeaway was. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up icon if you got value.